When it comes to browsing the web, there's nothing more frustrating than a slow loading Chrome. Not only does it take forever to load pages, but it can also cause a lot of stress and frustration. Imagine you are trying to finish an important report for work or assignment, but every time you try to open a new tab or load a website, Chrome grinds to a halt. Not only are you losing valuable time, but the constant interruption can make it hard to focus and stay on task. Worry no more, because there are a few things you can do to speed up Chrome and reduce the stress it causes. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 simple steps you can take to quickly speed up your Chrome and have a good browsing experience. Make sure to watch till the end, because I will show you a bonus tip at the end of the video, just in case none of these steps may make the difference you desire. With this said, let's get started. So the first step you have to take is to simply check the version of Chrome you are using. One of the factors that can slow down your Chrome browser is using an outdated version. To check for Chrome updates, simply head over to the ellipsis at the top right corner or the Chrome menu, click on it, then click on Settings. Under Settings, click on About Chrome. Here you will find out if you are using an up-to-date version of Chrome. In my case, I'm using the recent version of Chrome. If you are not using an up-to-date version of Chrome, you'll be given an option to download and install the latest version. This simple step can go a long way to speed up Chrome and improve your browsing experience. The second step is to get rid of all unwanted extensions. Chrome extensions are small software programs that add functionality to the Chrome browser. While they can be useful for a variety of tasks such as blocking ads or saving passwords, they can also slow down Chrome if not managed properly. This is because extensions use resources such as memory and processing power. So it is recommended to remove unwanted or unnecessary extensions to speed up Chrome. To do so, simply go to Extensions in the Settings menu, click on it, and it will open the extensions page. Alternatively, you can use the extensions icon, click on it, then click on Manage Extensions, and it will take you to the same destination. Also, you can click on the ellipsis, then go to More Tools, then click on Extensions, and it will take you to the same extensions page. So once you are on the page, make sure to go through the extensions and see those that you are not using anymore. Just remove them and it will go a long way to improve your browsing experience. Now the third step you should take is to stop unwanted tasks. When too many tasks are running on your computer, they can consume a significant amount of resources, causing Chrome to become slow. To check this, click on the ellipsis at the top right corner, go to More Tools, then click on Task Manager. You can also use a shortcut. Now you can sort it by how much memory it is using, the CPU it is using. Go through it and see the tasks that you don't want. Let's say I don't want this task to continue. So just click on it, then click on End Process. But before you do that, please note that you can lose unsaved tasks. So make sure to save everything before taking this action. The next step you can take is to clear your browsing data. Browsing data such as cache and cookies can slow down Chrome if they are not properly managed. The cache is simple, a temporary storage area where Chrome stores frequently accessed website data such as images and text in order to speed up loading times. While this can improve the browsing experience, the cache can become cluttered over time and take up a significant amount of space on your computer. Cookies, on the other hand, are small data files that are stored on your computer by websites to remember your preferences and login information. This can also be useful, but they can also become cluttered over time and take up space on your computer. So when the cache and cookies become too large, they can slow down Chrome by consuming a significant amount of memory and processing power. This can cause the browser to become slow and unresponsive, making it difficult to navigate through websites and complete tasks. So to prevent this from happening, it is recommended to clear your browsing data on a regular basis. To do this, simply click on the ellipsis, then go to More Tools, then click on Clear Browsing Data. Here we have two options, the basic option and the advanced option. And this is the time range. You can clear all time data, last hour, last 24 hours. It depends on you. I recommend you to go to the Advanced tab. There are some of these data that is important. For instance, passwords and other sign-in data. I recommend you to check this off before clearing your data. Then your browsing history. It is also important because sometimes we can visit a website and maybe you don't really take notice of the name of the website. So later on, when you want to get back to the website, you can use your browsing data to do so. So just check what you want to clear. As you can see, the cache image and files have a size of 330 megabytes. Now, once you select the data you want to clear, simply click on Clear Data. But before that, select the time range. If you want to clear data for the last hour, select this. If you want to clear all time data, select this, then click on Clear Data. This can also help to improve the speed of your Chrome browser. The next step you can take is to enable preload pages. Preloading pages is a feature that allows Chrome to start loading a web page in the background as soon as the user types the URL or clicks on a link. This reduces the time it takes for the page to load once the user navigates to it. To enable preloading pages in Chrome, head over once again to the Chrome menu at the top right corner, click on it, then click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Privacy and Security. Then head over to Cookies and Other Site Data, scroll to the middle of the page, then under Preload Pages for faster browsing and searching, make sure it is turned on. This is turned on by default, but just make sure to check and see whether it is turned on. The next step you can take is to turn on hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration is a feature in Chrome that allows the browser to use your computer's hardware, such as the graphics card, to perform certain tasks more efficiently. This can improve the performance of Chrome and make certain websites and web applications run faster. If hardware acceleration is turned off, Chrome will rely solely on the computer's CPU to perform tasks that will typically be handled by the graphics card. This can put a strain on the CPU and cause Chrome to become slow and unresponsive. This is usually turned on by default, but it is still worth checking to make sure it is on. To do so, go to the ellipsis, click on it, then go to Settings. Under Settings, click on System, then make sure Use Hardware Acceleration when available is turned on. This can also go a long way to increase the speed of your Chrome. Now, the next step you can take is to set your theme back to default. A theme is a collection of background images, colors, and other visual elements that customize the appearance of Chrome. When a theme is installed, it changes the look and feel of the browser, but it also uses resources such as the device's memory. If the theme is not optimized for performance, it can cause Chrome to become slow. So the best is to avoid installing external themes at all costs if you prefer performance over appearance. Even if you still have to install a theme, then it is recommended to install themes from the Chrome Web Store that have been highly rated and reviewed by other users. To return back to Chrome's default theme, let's click on the ellipsis, then click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Appearance. Then under Theme, click on Reset to Default. This can also help to improve the speed of your Chrome. Now the next step you can take is to clean up your computer. A cluttered and disorganized computer can consume a lot of system resources, which in turn can cause Chrome to become slow. To do this, click on the ellipsis, then go to Settings. Under Settings, click on Reset and Clean Up. Click on the second option, Clean Up Computer, then click on Find. This process will find malicious software that might be installed on your browser. Once the process is finished, you will be notified whether you have a harmful software installed on your browser or not. In my case, I don't have any harmful software, but if you do find one, you have an option to remove that particular software, and this can go a long way to speed up your Chrome and improve your browsing experience. Now, this is the bonus tip. If you follow all the above steps, I'm very confident you will notice a difference in your browsing experience. However, if you still face the same issues with Chrome, then the best and only solution to salvage the situation is to return to the default settings of Chrome. To do so, go to the ellipsis at the top right corner, click on it, then select Settings as usual. Then under Settings, click on Reset and Clean Up, then click on the first option. Please do note that the wording might be different depending on the operating system you are using. If you are using Windows, this is what you are going to see. If you are using operating system other than Windows, such as Mac, Chromebook, or Linux, you are going to see a different wording, but it will all perform the same function. So simply click on Restore Settings to their original defaults, then click on Reset Settings. This will take you back to the default Chrome settings as if you've installed Chrome for the first time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial to the end. I hope that you found it informative and helpful. If you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to comment below. Thanks so much for having you and have a great day. Bye.